Voice Mobility, Unified Communications for Google Apps. Today's session is on Enterprise Presence powered by the UCN VMEREGE product for Google Apps. The whole idea is accessing presence from the phone and controlling it for both Google Talk and your everyday mobility settings. Users would typically log into Google Talk through their desktop or web interface, and from there they could change their presence, available and unavailable. Google would then sync with VMEREGE through the API and the VMEREGE integration into Google Talk, and this would allow us to not only change my status through Google Talk, but now change my status on my phone system. So D&D would be turned on my phone, and my voicemail greeting would automatically change when I change my Google Talk status either from a mobile phone or over my desktop or through the web. Conversely, I can log in to VMEREGE from my home phone, my desk phone, or on the road on a regular cell phone, change my status through speech or DTMF commands. VMEREGE would then log into Google Apps and specifically Google Talk and change my status. So I have live access to change my rich presence, location, availability, physical phone to reach me on from any endpoint. It's that simple. Enterprise Presence for Google Apps, powered by UCN VMEREGE. And today we're here to talk about the integration of Enterprise Presence for Google Apps leveraging the VMEREGE platform. So in this case, a user of Google Apps with VMEREGE would have much more detailed presence than other people in the office. So for example, when I click on status, I know my actual location and my physical phone extension. So from here I can initiate a phone call, or I know its live status. Again, I can see other people in the office. Again, this is a VMEREGE status that comes up. I get live phone extension status within that integrated Google Apps snap at Google Apps. Again, if someone were to pick up the phone, now that live status would be reported and other people would see that David Petramala is in office but on the phone. So that would be reported in my live status. Okay. Now, if I'm not online and I call into the system either from my car or from home, I still have access to change my presence so other people within the office would know my live status. So in this case, I would simply call my voicemail.
Please say the following 5-digit number: 67940.
67940.
Please say your mailbox number.
314.
Please repeat your first and last name.
David Petramala.
You have 31 unread email messages, 160 read voice messages, 8,265.
So to change location, I press 5.
To make yourself unavailable, press star. To change your location to in office, press 1. To change your location to away on business, press 2. To change your location to at home, press 3. To change your location to meeting, press 4. To change your location, switching your current location to meeting.
You see my status has changed. If I want to go back to in office, I simply press 1 or say 1.
Your current location to in office. To make yourself unavailable, press star. To change your location to in office, press 1. To change your location
full control over the phone to access my Google Apps presence and change that status so people know where I am, what my location is, regardless of where I am. So the idea is VMEREGE connected to your switch and integrated into Google Apps gives you true enterprise presence from any location, from the web, over the phone, through a PDA, anywhere I have access to Google Apps, I can see the live enterprise status and presence of my other coworkers.